The problem number 347, top k frequent element. Okay, so statement is given integer array numbers and an integer key return the k most frequent element. You may return the answer in any order. Okay, so if you have number of list like 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, k equals to 3, so output equals to 1 and 2. Okay, so here you can also see number equals to 1 and k equals to 1, output equals to 1. Here you can see another number, here k equals to 2 and output also this one. Okay, so now we are going to understand this like if you have number in list like that and k equals to 2, so we need to calculate its frequency. Okay, frequency like how many times we have 1. Okay, so count of 1 equals to 3. So here we need to write like this 1 colon 3. So count of 1 equals to 3 like this, and count of 2 equals to 2. So that's why we need to write this 2 colon 2, and count of 3 we have 1. So that's why we wrote it 3 colon 1. Okay, so after that we need to create buckets. Okay, so buckets here like this. Okay, so at 0 we don't have anything, so we left it empty at 0. At 1, okay, we have 3. Okay, count 1 is 3, so we need to put it here. And 2, at index 2 we have 2, so that's why we put 2 here. And 3 count is 1, so we need to put it 1. Okay, so this is the bucket and its frequency, index equals to frequency. Now loop. Okay, so we are going to apply loop in this bucket. Okay, I equals to 6. Okay, we are going to count from last because these are the 6 values, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why these are the 6 buckets. Okay, so now look, I equals to 6 bucket, 6 equals to empty bucket, so skip. I equals to 5, also empty bucket, so skip. I equals to 4, again skip because it is empty. I equals to 3, I equals to 3, we had 1. Okay, so we need to take it as a response equals to 1. Okay, in bucket. Okay, and after that I need to increase value of I, so we got 2 and I equals to 2, we got 2, so our new bucket equals to 1 comma 2. Okay, so k value equals to 2, so we need to stop here. Okay, check length of response, k equals to 2, condition equals to true, return 1 comma 2. So what we are going to do, I mean we are going to use bucket sort algorithm here. So you need to know about what is it. I have already explained it, but I am giving you definition now. So bucket sort is a sorting algorithm that divide the array into buckets. Okay, sort each bucket individually using another sorting algorithm like insertion sort or you sort. Merge all bucket back into a sorted list. Okay, so this is the bucket. So here you can see this is the numbers. This is and after that we need to count frequency of this number and need to create a big bucket of all these number. Number is 6, so that's why we need to count 6 bucket. And now we are going to apply a loop and get the element. If we don't get element, then skip and append this result till k equals to 2. Okay, so here we match the value of k to the length of response. Okay, so here I am doing to solve this. This is the class. This is the from collection import counter we are going to use for calculate the frequency, and here we are going to import list. Okay, so this is the class and this is the function. Okay, so these are the argument. This is the self reference argument, and this is for input, and this is the value of k. Okay, so here I am going to create frequency. Frequency match. Frequency map, sorry, not match. Frequency map equals to counter n equals to length of numbers. Now I am going to create bucket. Buckets equals to bucket. We are going to create empty bucket for dash in range n plus 1. Four numbers, phone number, frequency, in frequency map dot items. Okay, so in frequency map dot items they have a number of the items and frequency. That's why we are going to uh, write this. Writing this phone number frequency in frequency dot map item. Here bucket frequency dot append okay. Here we are going to append numbers in buckets with frequency. Buckets frequency dot append numbers. Like if you have frequency 3 append number 1. Okay, so frequency 2 append 2. For I in range and comma 4 I in range and comma 0 comma 1. Okay, we take a range from last to like n after n minus 1 n minus 2. 4 number in bucket Now number in buckets. If we found number, then we need to append it in response dot append number. If length of response equals to k, then we need to stop. Return res. Oh, spelling mistake here. Buckets. Why I am getting wrong answer? Here bucket frequency dot append in bracket nums, not a numbers. Oh, again wrong answer. Okay, now our answer has been accepted and all test cases passed. So here you can see this is the function and this is the frequency that we count the frequency of the number, frequency map. This is the length for numbers and n is the length of numbers bucket. Here we are going to create buckets, and for number frequency they have frequency and count their count, and we are going to append this in a bucket, and this is we are going to create a empty response that we need to store, and we are going to apply a loop here in numbers that we will get number and append here, and length of response equals to k. Here k equals to 2, so return response we need to stop after we match k equals to 2, and like this. If we match I equals to 2, we got 2. Here response equals to 1 comma 2, so if length of response equals to k and condition true, return 1 comma 2. Okay, so here you can see this is the numbers and this is the k, this is the frequency and frequency map item and its value. These are the buckets, and now this is the loop. 6 5 and 4 skip because these are the empty buckets, and I equals to 1, so we store 1 in response, and after that we need to we need to add in response like 1 comma 2 in I equals to 2. So if length I need to check length of response equals to k also equals to 2, condition true, and return 1 comma 2. Here this is also. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, see you again.